Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming version and opening the workbook you want to enable links in. Once done, save the file locally or to a trusted network path so Excel treats it as secure. Make sure you enable editing if the file is protected view. This unlocks link dialogues. Then open File Options and navigate to Trust Center. This is where Excel controls external content. You're starting the process now because these steps let Excel show and allow link updates safely. Next, you configure the Trust Center so links can update reliably. Go to Trust Center Settings External Content and enable automatic update options for workbook links. This lets Excel refresh data without repeated prompts. Then add your folder to trusted locations so files open with fewer barriers. If Protected View blocks links, selectively disable it for those known, secure sources. You're doing this to balance convenience and safety. Allow updates from places you control while keeping random files restricted. Finally, you update and verify links. Use Data Edit links to refresh, change source, or break links. This completes the enablement. If links remain broken, relink to the correct file path or use find/replace to fix changed paths. Make sure the source workbooks are accessible and not blocked by network permissions or antivirus. These often stop link access. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check trusted locations and network access first, because most link failures are permissions or path issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.